What's up, winners? On this channel we learn to see through manipulation, have fun doing it. Oh, what is Meghan doing? Look how she always has to be grabbing the dogs. Like, that's a very awkward scratch. She's probably like digging her nails and keeping the dog. This other dog looks weary. She's got her weird photos. But let's look at her most recent weird stories. Oh, okay. Wow. Wow, look at that. It's spread. And it comes in a tube. Wow, that just look at the bubbles in it. Did you see the bubbles? Hold on. You guys see the bubbles? Yuck. There's like mucus bubbles in there. Oh. Ooh. Good thing Leo's not here. I'd give him nightmares. I don't even know what to say. Is this really supposed to make someone want this? They just... What was that? Hold on. What is that? Ew. That's like, ooh. It looks like it's been previously digested and then that's how you made the dough. Oh. Gosh. Thumbprint cookies. That is so creepy. I guess Meghan likes to have her personal touch in it. Normally she has her hair in everything she makes. Alright. That's Meghan's glass. Is that supposed to be Meghan? That doesn't really look like Meghan. That's not exactly her actual look. I guess that's her brand, though. Her new brand, not the brand that she had growing up. What else do we have here? At Meghan's Wine. And then finally, you can... So, it's a heavenly taste of all things. Yeah, right. Okay. And Harry, once again, is paranoid. He is accusing... making accusations of sabotage. Sources intent on sabotage. He's never taken any responsibility or even close to it. I don't even know what to say to that. I mean, he was accusing his father of him not getting taxpayer funded security. Now he's saying there's other sources. Who knows? Everybody, thanks. I'll see you soon.